Hello and welcome to this uh, new section on prescriptive analytics and the first lecture of that in this course, Master in Business Analytics. So, in this lecture, we will give you a quick overview of the purpose and the steps to master prescriptive analytics. And as we go forward, we will take you in detail to those steps. So what do you think? What is the purpose and steps of what are the steps involved in prescriptive analytics? Any thoughts? So, what is the purpose of prescriptive analytics? See, the purpose of prescriptive analytics is to provide an actionable recommendation. You should be able to answer this question: what should I do? What should we do? What should your client do? For most optimal decision. So to make a right decision, the best possible decision, you need to provide actionable recommendations as you do the analytics. So what are the steps that you need to take to master prescriptive analytics? Let's take a look at these steps in quick summary and overview here. So first one, you need to understand these optimization techniques that you will use to decide whether a decision is optimal or not. So there you need to learn programs like linear programming, integer programming, and constraint optimization. And we will talk about this. So don't you worry about learning them, and we will take you through them. Then you need to learn the tools like Python, SciPy, Pulp, or IPSolve, or Excel Solver. Both in R, Python and R or Excel, you need to learn these tools. Having learned the optimization techniques, you need to learn the decision analysis. How would you decide? How would you evaluate the alternatives and decide the right decision? So there you need to study decision trees, Markov decision process, and simulation techniques to be able to use to decide optimally. Then you need to compare the predictive and you need to combine the predictive and prescriptive analytics. And for that, you need to integrate the predictive insights into your optimization models, right? So you're building on the predictive analytics that you've done. And an example of that would be using the forecasted demand, using the predictive analytics to optimize inventory level. So your decision point is how much inventory should I keep that for you use for that you forecast demand using predictive analytics and then decide using the various tools and techniques that we will take you through. Then you need to obviously master the advanced tools. You can advance and master the advanced tools like IBM CPLX, Gurobi, and SAS optimization. And then you practice creating optimization models for resource allocation, scheduling, and pricing strategy as an example. And finally, you develop a domain expertise by applying prescriptive analytics in industries like supply chain, finance, healthcare, and marketing, where they are in significant value today as of now. And obviously, the prescriptive analytics will keep growing to many industries, so we need to keep developing the right domain expertise. So, what is next? So, having looked at the key steps that you will take, let's take a look at each of these and let's start by seeing how to learn linear programming, integer programming, and constraint optimization using tools like Python, R, and Excel Solver, right? So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture on prescriptive analytics in this course, Master in Business Analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you want to.